Hello friends, I am Anirban Gupta. Welcome my kitchen. So today's our recipe is chocolate milkshake. This chocolate milkshake is very sweet dishes and very sweet milkshake, so very delicious. So let's see what is the ingredients. Ingredients are needed milk, then after needed sugar, then after needed chocolate sauce, then after needed vanilla ice cream, and then after needed ice cubes. This is the ingredients of chocolate milkshake. So let's see the next step. See friends, I take a bowl. At first I take a bowl, then after added milk, then after added vanilla ice cream, then after added ice cubes, then after added 1 tablespoon sugar, and now next added chocolate sauce. So see friends, now these ingredients mixed well properly. See friends, this chocolate milkshake is properly mixed, and now this chocolate milkshake transferred into the glass. See friends, I take a glass and now chocolate sauce, and now this chocolate sauce is now spread well properly. This is the beautiful decoration. This is the beautiful decoration, and now chocolate sauce and now chocolate milkshake add into the glass. Our chocolate milkshake is now ready. This is the beautiful color and beautiful decoration with chocolate sauce. So if you like this my video, then please give subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.